to RW Carbon yet again for some more carbon parts. Like I already mentioned earlier, you know, I've been waiting for these parts for a while. Yeah, you know, the whole front is gonna get an upgrade, besides the actual bumper, of course. So, you know, I was actually debating, you know, weighing my options between going with the Adro bumper and then going with, you know, just carbon upgrades for the already existing grille. And in the end, I did decide to just go with the carbon parts. Couple reasons. The Adro bumper, in my opinion, I think it looks great, but I think it looks good on the M4 and not the M3. Maybe it's just the proportions of the car, because, you know, the M4 is a coupe versus this, which has 4 doors. I think that the Adro bumper kind of it just doesn't look as good as the M3 on the M4, I think. It doesn't look as sleek, and I think it makes the front of the car just look slightly awkward. It doesn't look right. Whereas on the M4, I think it looks freaking great. So had I had an M4, I probably would have gone with the Adro bumper and, you know, gone with like the carbon pieces on that bumper as well. But since I do have this M3, you know, I thought it would be best. I think the carbon pieces will look better than the Adro bumper. So yeah, I mean, that's the route that I'm going. As for the actual parts, you'll see what they are. I'm sure you all are pretty aware of, you know, what most people have in terms of the aftermarket upgrades for the front bumper. You know, I mean, there's like a CSL grille and all that kind of stuff, different types of lips. The one specifically that I'm getting, you'll just have to wait and see. I will tell you, I didn't go with the CSL grille, so I mean, that only really leaves a couple of different options. But, you know, in my opinion, I think the CSL grille, although it does look great, it's pretty played out. A lot of people have it. And also something that just bothers me personally, because I am slightly OCD when it comes to, you know, my car and stuff, is the fact that the CSL grills, they all have that badging size for the CS or CSL badge. And obviously, you know, this isn't a CS or CSL. And me personally, I want the badge to look like it belongs. I don't want to, you know, have to do too many modifications to the badge, or just, you know, have it not sit in its the badge space in its entirety. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of why I didn't go with the CSL grille. Don't get me wrong, it looks great, but that's just something that would bother me, so that's just why I didn't go with it. As for the other parts, I mean, you know, you'll see. Oh, I was too busy talking and I missed my exit. That sucks. Okay, well, we can always take the 57 up. It's not like too much longer, I don't think, but oh, never mind. Okay, it's 4 minutes longer. That kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I still need to get PPF done on my car. I'm actually waiting until after I get these carbon parts installed. So once these are installed, I'm actually going to be hitting up Steve over at Elevance again, because he does great work and he has great prices. So yeah, I'm gonna be heading over there, gonna get PPF done on the car. I'll make a video about that as well. But yeah, I mean, you know, because it's been raining so much in SoCal, at least for like the past week or so, I hear like a lot more rocks hitting my car, so it kind of worries me. I'm hoping that there aren't like too many rock chips on my bumper right now. So, you know, the PPF will help with damage, at least once it's installed. But if there's too many rock chips on it right now, it's gonna kind of suck, just because the PPF will show the I guess like the damage, because there's gonna be like little pockets or little air bubbles where the damages are. So hopefully it's not too bad, but I guess time will tell. I'm hoping that I can get PPF done at some point next week, and then once that's done, I can start going to, you know, the canyons again, which will be great. So I'll have more canyon content for you guys. And it won't just be the same canyon. You know, definitely planning on taking it up some different roads. Some roads that I haven't been on personally. I still need to go up ACH. Like, you know, that's a legendary road, very iconic, and I've been dying to go out there, but you know, it's just a little bit far, so I really haven't, I guess, like, tried too hard to go out there, but I definitely will at some point in the near future. Also, some other future content that will be coming soon. I will be making a video strictly on the exhaust of this car, you know, how it sounds, like I said, my problems, if I've had any problems, and the quality of the exhaust. I know there are some people who have questions about that, so I'll address any of those kinds of questions in a future video as well. And then also, you know, kind of my review on this car. I've almost had it for 3,000 miles now. I'm at 2,500. But yeah, I mean, you know, the review on this car as a daily driver, any other issues that I've experienced, and, you know, so on and so forth. So if you all enjoy, you know, car content or G80 content or M3 content, whatever, stick around, because, you know, I will be posting videos. And if you all are interested, you know, I might even just do straight up POV videos where I just go out and drive. I don't really talk. Maybe like nighttime driving, or, you know, honestly, the content is endless. I can really make whatever kind of videos everyone is interested in. I'm honestly down to make all sorts of videos for this car. I absolutely love driving this car. So any extra time I can spend in this car, whether it's just for personal pleasure or, you know, making content for you all, or even both, because honestly, it really is, you know, just a joy to drive. I'm down to do it. So leave a comment down below if you all have any content ideas or any sort of videos that you all want to see, and I'll take it into consideration for future videos. Man, you know, it's been so gloomy for the past week. I kind of forgot how beautiful California is. Like, when the weather is nice, it is just absolutely gorgeous out here. All right, so we are about to pull up. Oh, that is one thing that I'm going to have to get used to too, is really making sure that I don't scratch the front lip when that does go on. Alright, so this is it. This is the last time you all are going to see this face. At least this face in this color with this style. Take one good last look, because it's gone. Front is done. Got Nice carbon grille, got the nice lip, and we have the carbon ducts on there as well. Super clean. Carbon's very good quality. I mean, you can tell around the bends. This is looking really, really nice. So I didn't personally get to film the B-roll that you're about to see. It was actually some of the RW guys that did it for me because, you know, they wouldn't let me in just for like safety reasons. But yeah, I mean, this thing is looking really, really nice. Very, very big upgrade compared to, you know, the stock pieces. I mean, this just really, really completes like the look of the car, in my opinion, and I think this looks way better than the OEM. Looks good. All right, so it has been 4 hours, almost 5 hours, but the install is finally done. You all probably already saw it. I probably already showed you. So yeah, I mean, it looks really good. Definitely cleans up the front, and I think just it makes it look more aggressive. You know, the front grille, wasn't really a fan of the front grille or the OEM front grille. I think it's just like too many slits or too many, you know, parallel bars, and it's too much black. So this new grille, you know, there's only a few bars that go across the grille, and obviously, you know, it's full carbon now, so it looks really good. And then the carbon brake ducts, you know, these are a must. Like, they look amazing. And then the front lip as well. It just adds, you know, a little bit more aggressiveness to the overall front of the car. One thing I will, you know, say is, I don't know if I'm going to scrape. I didn't go too aggressive with the springs on my car, so I'm really hoping that it doesn't scrape. But who knows? I mean, there's probably going to be, you know, some driveways or parking lots or whatever where it's super deep, and I might end up scraping here and there, but hopefully that doesn't happen. But I guess we'll see as time goes on. I'll see if there are any cars on the road on the way home, you know, something cool. Maybe we can do like a pull or something. But yeah, I mean, if this is the end, you know, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for future content because more videos will be coming soon. Also, once again, huge shout out to Malachi over at RW. Like, he's been taking care of me ever since I got my car, and he's always very responsive. So if you all ever need any carbon parts, I would highly recommend you all go to RW Carbon. Their products are great quality. The weave looks fantastic. And honestly, their customer service is great. If there's ever anything wrong with the product, they are on top of their game, and they make sure that you're happy in the end. So they'll do any adjustments as long as, you know, you obviously get the install done with them. But in terms of like the actual quality of the product too, I'm sure they back their stuff, and if something is wrong with it, hit them up and they'll get you sorted out. So yeah, I mean, RW has been great to me. Absolutely fantastic. And just to let you all know, I am not sponsored by RW or anything. I wish I was, because then, you know, I would have gotten my stuff at a bigger discount. But yeah, I mean, I really do stand by their products. It looks amazing, and it's held up great for me so far. You know, no deterioration, no discoloration. Yeah, I mean, their stuff is good. So once again, huge shout out to Malachi and Matt, actually, over at RW. Go hit them up for your carbon stuff. They'll take care of you.